First, we should start enable this open. Left row, left, right. Maybe 20 minutes. This one is left, this one is right. Because Vitola is 90 ml, so we should open the sensor detect, and then start feed the cups. And the sensor detect low feed. And here, 那个机器要开啊 and start the machine. Start the machine. Auto feed. Auto counts and feed the cups. Here's counting.
它这边那里杯子有点不一样。
这个是设置的多少个 ？Auto count and see. Vitola set 25 pieces. Vitola set 25 pieces. The pack.
现在这边你看，现在这边没有料，这上面也没有。
If there is the low caps, come sensor detect low caps, have a lot start, and only there is caps. Only there is caps and then it works. Here sensor detect. The sensor detect low caps, the machine will stop.